Okay, so now that we've made our project, we've got our Design Challenge 2020 project going here, the next step is going to be to create new parts. Now in Onshape, it seems like all the parts are just general documents. So we're just going to create a document. We're going to give it a name. It would probably be better to not call things just untitled document, so make sure you give it a good name. Maybe I'm calling mine wheel. And that's going to go ahead and, as it opens up, open up into the actual modeling environment. We'll explore this a little bit more in future videos here, but a few things that you've got access to here. We've got the 3 planes, just like you have in Inventor. You've got your view cube, so you can rotate this cube however you want. You can, if you hold down your right mouse button and drag, that's going to be a turn. If you hold down your mouse wheel, and drag, that's going to be a slide. If you just hold down one, like the left one, then you can select. There's nothing in mind to select, but you do that. Over here you've got some view options, so shaded, you can turn off edges, you can turn perspectives on. You can do a whole lot of different things. I would probably leave this one alone, maybe change it to isometric. Looks a little bit nicer than the way that it's normally at. And then all of your tools are up here. Now, just like with Inventor, Onshape starts off on the left-hand side where you're going to want to start. So you've got your sketch button right here. It's got its own little, shortcuts here. Shift S looks like it's sketch. And as you go further to the right, you're going to get into things that we're going to use a whole lot less. So by the time you get about halfway through, these are things that we haven't used in Inventor at all. So chances are you're not going to be using most of these in Onshape either. It looks like the one here I might look at is a plane. That's going to let you make those construction planes that we talked about, so that one might be a good one to use. Definitely not sheet metal modeling of any sort. About these have here. You've seen all these before. So next video we'll talk about some of the tools that are available in Sketches, and then after that we'll go and talk about some of these, how these work in Onshape.